do you think? Why'd you give it all up?
Who gave what up?
Yorinobu Arasaka. The good life, I mean. Old news, I know. Just got to thinking's all. It's like, think. You got everything, right? Eddies, education. Your pops can snap his fingers and turn half the fucking planet into a nuclear wasteland. But instead, you're like, nah, fuck it. And what do you go do? Start a fucking gang. Steal dragons or some shit. You ghost from your fam, chip some real skin, and play gang leader for a few years. For what?
Maybe he just wanted out of the system.
So then why'd he come back?
Tough to ditch the system when the system's your own family.
Black sheep's still a sheep, huh?
One way to put it.
Crawled back on all fours, tail between his legs. Fucking cheap-ass rebel. Fucking tourist.
Tourist or not, he just walked into the lobby. And we are back in biz. Penthouse security is neutralized.
Perfecto. Let's start the show. Hey, Bug. Were you on comms that whole time?
3.5 hours.
About that stick up the ass.
Mean the one up mine?
Slip of the tongue, you know?
I know. Now's your chance to make up to me.
This is going pretty smooth, right? Right?
Man, are you the silver lining type?
Hey, when you gonna wave off that dark cloud hanging over your head? Telling you, it's downhill from here on in. There's the awkward silence. You, wanna hear a joke?
Now? Seriously?
Okay, so why'd the Rocker Boy's output kick him out of the apartment? 'Cause he wasn't chipping in.
Jesus Christ.
Not bad being heir to the Arasaka Empire. Sure as shit better than being the son of Raoul Bells.
Guys, focus. The safe. And make it quick.
Why? What's the rush?
Sig on your Nobu's gone dark.
What is he, a fucking sorcerer?
Some kind of dead zone's my guess. Have him back in a sec. And you do your damn job. There, under
Looks
the
like
floor.
Yorinobu left us a
Look
parting
around for
gift.
a switch.
Ain't much, but it'll have to do. Bingo! Got something ejected. Come here, V.
What now?
Jack in your personal and make us rich.
On it. Your turn, Bug.
Give me 2.
We got winged visitors. Bug.
Don't know who, but staff's abuzz. All 200 on their feet, can't keep still.
Can't say I like this. How much longer, T?
Shit, Yorinobu's penthouse bound.
Fuck him! Open the safe!
Almost got it. Done.
Cream.
Let me look to this, huh?
Relic intact?
Bioshard integrity, 100%. I'm guessing that's a yes.
Good, let's go.
Fuck, too late. Yorinobu's about to walk in. Find cover.
Where?
That pillar, try that.
Fucking kidding!
No! Inside it, now!
We're in.
Which don't solve our problem, T.
I fucking know our problem's still there. Let me think for a sec, okay?
I thought Atom Smasher, bodyguard, Wars, Night City legend. complete motherfucking one too. What's the play?
We wait.
Are they here yet?
They approach from the landing pad?
Fuck are they talking about?
Bug, who we got incoming?
Nuh-uh. No fucking way. This isn't happening. Saburo Arasaka?
The Emperor. Yet another ass-licking legend.
Shush. Doubt this could be soundproof.
首を突っ込まないでくれって言っただろ。
Oh, fuck.
外してくれ。
荒坂様、まだボディチェックが終わっていません。
私の息子だ。
例のものを回収しましょうか。
私がやる。言ってくれ。
Close.
Too close. If he'd have sniffed us out.
But he didn't. No, cállate. Unfucking believable. Saburo Arasaka.
私が気づかないとでも思ったのか。
そもそも俺のことを気にしたことなんかないだろう。あんたの問題点はそこだ。世界は自分中心に回ってると思ってる。傲慢だよ。
頼信。
どうしてここへ？直々に俺に屈辱を合わせ立場を思い知らせるためにか。
出る杭は打たれるとよく言うだろう。
自分の言葉じゃ何も言えないのか。
貴様こそ自分が何をしようとしたか分かっているのか。私たちの功績を野蛮人に渡すなど、私たちの未来を。
俺たちの未来。俺たち。なんかの間違いだろ。あんたは自分のことしか考えてない。そしてこの会社のことしか。
いつかこのような日が来ることは分かっていた。貴様はついに越えてはならない一線を越えたのだ。これまでお前の愚行には目をつぶってきた。だがそれもここまでだ。この裏切りだけは決して許せぬ。貴様の母親が生きていなくてよかった。息子の不甲斐ない姿を目の当たりにして心を痛めずに済んだのだからな。
Oh, shit.
これで誰のことも許す必要はない。I wish to put the hotel on lockdown.
May I ask why?
Saburo Arasaka has been murdered.
Code Red initiated. Attention! Code Red has been initiated throughout Kenpeki Plaza. Please remain in your rooms and follow all instructions given by staff.
何の騒ぎです。誰かが父に毒を持った。毒を。そう。頼信さん、しかし。竹村、お お前の仕事は何だ？何の話です？単純な質問だ。答えろ。荒坂家の家長を守ることです。今後はもっとしっかり責任を果たすよう望んでいるぞ。お許しください、荒坂様。決して失望はさせません。
What the fuck just happened in there?
Yorinobu just offed Saburo.
What?
His own fucking pops.
Know what this means? Security's gonna swarm the place any second. Oh my god, we're so fucked.
Bug, need you to get us out of here, now.
Give me a sec.
We don't have a sec!
Fuck!
Okay, got
Saburo
something.
fucking Arasaka's
Now.
dead. It's weird to even say it.
Releasing the lock. Should see a ladder. Ladder. Oh, fuck. Oh, no, 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 not now! I've been made!
Bug!
Pinche Dios santo bendito!
Just lost teeth!
Fuck! Fucking Major Leagues. Happy now, Jackie?
Bien pensado. Old man Arasaka's AV should still be parked on the roof.
Got 2 guards.
コードレッド、何かトラブルが起きたのか？
そのようだな。
竹村さんと連絡がつかない。何が起きてるんだ？
Well, forget trying to pilot this thing. Don't know what I was expecting.
Unauthorized access attempt detected. Remain where you are. Security personnel will arrive shortly.
¡Cada madre!
Gotta get out of here, now!
Boy, Jackie. Don't look down. Yep! That's fucking high! Shit! That trauma?
If they're here for Saburo, they're a little late!
Just hope they didn't see us. ¡Cada madre! ¡Saca mail! Oh shit!
Close one!
The relic! Madres! Ah! Oh, this ain't good.
Jackie, you're bleeding!
Worry about me later. Check the relic. Container depressurized. Biochip integrity at 94%. Fucking drop in. Carajo! Parker! Call her!
And tell her we fried the case?
Just do it!
V? Konpeki's all over the feeds. What the fuck's going on there?
Got a problem. Cryo case is damaged. Biochip's integrity at... Jackie?
86%!
86% and dropping.
Shit. Okay, listen to me. There's only one thing you can do. One of you's gotta slot the relic into your neural port. V, you there?
What are you talking about?
The relic can't be isolated. It has to be nested in a safe environment.
Well, someone's gotta do it. En el nombre del Padre, del Hijo y del Espíritu Santo. Amén.
Jackie, you okay?
No. I guess. Don't feel any
Once
different.
you're back, we'll take out the relic and run a full brain scan and sweep. But you two need to get the fuck out of there first.
We're working on it.
Del, we'll be there in a couple. Be ready. Got it?
Certainly, Mr. Wells.
Better be fucking certain. We gotta somehow reach the lobby. Only chance to hit the garage. And we best be quick. Ahora sí. Great. Now let's get out
Throughout
of here.
Kentucky Plaza. Please remain in your rooms and follow all instructions.
All clear here,
by
too.
staff.
Get down
This was a drill. Why'd they send these out as special
Come
forces?
on, quietly.
Special forces.
In the lobby now. We're gonna sweep the building, all floors.
Watch out. Don't mark us.
Hey, anyone else catch that?
What do we have here? Big catch. Careful. Security likely to be swarming outside.
Got it.
Attention. Code Red has been initiated. Throughout Konpeki Plaza. Please remain in your rooms and follow all instructions given by staff.
Quick, hide.
Need to check the Zen room.
Yes, all clear.
That's strange. How come?
Well, the doors to the terrace was damaged.
Then take a look.
They can spot you.
Attention. Code Red has been initiated throughout Konpeki Plaza. Please remain in your rooms and follow all instructions instructions given by staff.
Someone here? Show your face.
Attention. Code Red has been initiated throughout Kentucky Plaza. Please remain in your rooms and follow all
Gonna investigate.
given by staff.
You're only making it.
Watch out, they'll mark us.
Attention. Code Red has been initiated throughout Kentucky Plaza. Please remain in your rooms
Enemies
and
watching.
follow all instructions given by staff.
Negative for intruders. Suspicious activity.
Attention. Code Red has been initiated throughout Kentucky Plaza. Please remain in your rooms and follow all instructions given by staff.
What the hell?
instructions given by staff. Attention. Code Red has been initiated throughout Kentucky Plaza. Please and follow all instructions. Staff.
Hello? Where are you? I will personally find you and bury you. I've got this.
Watch out, they'll mark us.
Of course.
Hello? Where are you?
Has been initiated throughout Kentucky Plaza. Please remain in your rooms and follow all instructions given by staff.
Someone in there? No. Security! Open up!
Quick, hide. Keep it calm, or they'll spot us. Madre! They spotted us! Don't break rank! Gonna take more than that! Good one! That's all of them.
Neutralize it!
Going down.
Keep firing!
150 years. And today, of all fucking days, it's like some divine comedy shit.
Save your strength, Jackie.
What do you think I'm doing? But Sylvie will get out alive.
Tell Bug, why don't you? Maybe she'd still be alive if we hadn't been so gung-fucking-ho.
Don't take this out on me. You can see how the chips are falling.
Come out with your hands in the air! All clear.
Come on out. You're not in trouble. They can spot you. Watch out, they'll mark us.
Fucking gun! Kill or be... Shoot!
Better get out! Out of my way, Daniel!
Together! On the move! Fire!
I'm leaking a little.
Where'd that come from?
I advise that you waste no time in entering the vehicle.
Delamain, gun it! We'll have problems if we don't fucking drive! Not bad.
Client feedback noted.
How's our ride looking?
Tip-top. Though alas, we are being pursued.
Sweet fucking Jesus.
Delamain!
Please remain calm.
Calm!
Roadblock ahead.
¡Ay, mis huevos!
A hostile enemy aircraft has a lock.
Leave it to me.
I can't just give up!
Hostile aircraft eliminated.
Phew.
Nice work there.
We did it, Jackie! We fucking made it!
I guess we did.
My medical diagnostics indicate that Mr. Wells's condition is critical.
Take us to Ripper Dock, now!
Apologies, but that will not be possible. Our itinerary has been pre-arranged and paid for in advance. I am not at liberty to alter it.
Fuck your liberty! Do what I say!
It's okay, V. I'll hold out.
I suggest you try to keep Mr. Wells conscious.
It's gonna be alright, huh? You'll see Misty, your mom, everyone you love. Jackie, don't close your eyes.
And Misty, she knew. She always knew. Biochip. Don't do it. For me.
Mr. Wells has passed. Where shall I take his remains?
What?
The Excelsior package provides for the disposal of passenger remains free of charge. I merely require a destination.
Dick Vector will take care of him. His family shouldn't see him like this.
Of course. Understood. Mr. Deshawn awaits you in room number 204.
See you in the major leagues, Jack.
Watch!
Let me in.
He waiting.
WNS, N54, even the pirate networks. You blowing up everywhere. And the Jackster, he out in the car?
This week's biggest story, the murder of Arasaka Corporation CEO, Saburo.
Yeah, he's there. Dead.
Was reported slain on the premises of the Conpex.
Condolences, friend. And the relic?
Saburo Arasaka's son, Yorinobu Arasaka, has
No such luck.
That's one piece of good news.
Good news?
Saburo Arasaka. Dead. You got any notion of the shit you pulled me into? You off the fucking Emperor! His Majesty! Anyone with so much as a pinky toe dipped in this mess is as good as dead!
I know. And that's why we gotta skip Night City, Dex.
We?
You're the fixer.
Alright, settle down. Gotta be tactical about this. New place, new identity. But first, your face. Got blood all over it. Bathroom's there. Go get yourself cleaned up. Alright then. Can't risk it, V. Remember our first convo? Seems I've chosen the quiet life after all. No
I'll fucking kill you!
Me.
Hey.
I can't let you on! Hey, we're chill!
Of course you're high.
I'm craving serious action, not just
Tonight, I'm here to say goodbye to all of you.
Money's money, can't fuck around with it.
Speaking. Johnny, wait up.
Don't do this! You could still change your mind.
Get over here, man. Fuck this band. Not your crowd, not your noise. Do your own thing.
Bastard. Gonna miss you something awful.
See you in the next life, friend.
Silverhand!
Hey, Shaden!
Get us in the air! Here, put this on, and it stays on! Got it?
Shut down. APC's on the streets of Watson.
Sons of bitches!
Skullcracking out there. That us?
Johnny's idea. Wayland's drawing Arasaka's attention away from the tower.
Collateral damage part of the plan, too.
This isn't the Cub Scouts, Thompson. Chew it up, spit it out.
Payload on the elevator, arm it, let gravity do its thing. Explosion rocks the foundation, tower crumbles, chaos, screaming, roll credits.
Exit window's gonna be tight.
Jacking in. Is grass green? Do birds fly? Do cats eat bats? Do rats shit gnats?
Mainframe's not your playground, Murphy. Come on! Evac announcement. Broadcast it across all frequencies and let's get moving.
Sheesh. Who wrote this manifesto?
Really need me to answer that question?
Jesus, Johnny. You've gone off the deep end. That's coming from a chair jock.
Come on! Be anything less straight up. Fucking hell!
Bushido 2, bomb's name is what?
Wrap it up! We got a Delta!
The Demolitron. We're good to blow.
Shaka Elite's incoming!
There,
Run
Johnny.
for it!
Shoot the cables! Get the motor spinning! We're on our way!
Not done yet. Still need to feed this to their subnet.
Fucking knew it! This was never about corporate colonialism. This was about your groupie output, wasn't it?
No, you wouldn't understand, Rogue.
Giving you 4 fucking minutes. Chopper's not gonna wait 1 sec longer.
Door lock breached. Arasaka's sons of bitches incoming.
Love you, Spider.
whole world loves me.
Take cover!
It cannot be!
Closing in on the access road.
Slot in. Sweet icebreaker. Foreign, right? Just wonder if we know anyone who could switch the subnet protocol.
Hilarious. You gonna help or not?
Do spiders spin webs? It's time we caught some flies.
Thanks, Murph.
Now, just for good measure. Holy cyber cow. We're on TV. Take a look.
Return now to Arasaka Tower. Its evacuation ongoing after an unidentified terrorist organization released a manifesto threatening violence. The terrorists stating their desire to, quote-unquote, topple a monument to corporate colonialism. Night City's mayor, Imbole Ebunike, has issued a statement declaring that he will bring the full force of the law to bear in response to any act of terrorism. Going now to our reporter on the scene at Arasaka Tower. Hopefully he can shed some light on the situation as events unfold.
All set. Now get out of there. They're moving up. Hit the roof quick. Shit! That's Adam Smasher! Johnny, run!
Murphy?
Door's sealed, but it won't hold for long. Run, Johnny. Like the wind.
Smasher.
Told you, Johnny boy. Told you I'd end you someday.
Hi, まだ生きています。わかりました。向かいます。
Let us try once more. Your associates. Who are they? How did you acquire fissile material?
Gonna give good cop over there a chance to say something? Come on.
Which terrorist organization do you belong to? How did you acquire fissile material?
Boss don't look too pleased with your efforts.
Let's see. 直接話をする。